We usually do IGs on live, but thought I'd hop on an IG. Cheers, good flight, yeah. Oh, I was in the airport for like 48 hours. It was hard, but it was good. Hey. It was in the server for a charger. Thanks, Bill. It's really nice here. Unreal, I love it here. It's so hot. We go to the beach.
We just arrived at the airport.
I know. I'm like ready, eh?
Yeah.
I'm like ready. It's hot here, yeah, it's hot. Look at that. Cheers. Cheers, Billy. To a great adventure. To never going back.
Welcome to Greece.
Welcome to Greece. Thanks, bud. Thanks. How was the flight? It was long, but it was good. It was good. Good flight. Good flights. So colorful, yeah. But it was long. Like, I was at the airport for like, I don't know, 48 hours probably.
3 days.
Frick, 3 days. Just chilling at the airport.
You probably gonna get paid.
Probably gonna get paid. Fuck. Oh. Are you tired? Oh yeah, I haven't slept.
Here's Auntie.
Here's Auntie. Auntie, what's... Auntie, I'm on live.
He's on live.
Say hi.
Oh, hi.
How you doing?
Good, good.
You got 1 million people looking at you right now. I'm just joking.
Perfect.
Perfect.
You got me on a bad day. So turn it, thanks.
Say hi, Roberti.
Good morning. He's
Hello.
on live.
Ah,
Hey, Auntie. Auntie saved the day. Bill left.
Yep.
Bill didn't care about us.
okay. And to the rescue.
I'm kidding. Bill needed to take care of everyone else too.
Yeah, he did. He did. Because how would they know
Like my
what to do
mom
at the
and- yeah.
airport? They'd be lost.
Car.
Car
radio,
rental,
TV,
everything. We knew. It's okay.
Your model agents.
Everything.
No, yeah. It was not good. I was just a little too tipsy and
It's okay, buddy.
it was a tiny argument. Or whatever.
It's okay. We're here now.
Auntie's the MVP. Yeah, shit. Poor BBB. Oh, I know. BBB was pissed, dude. Dubs for G. Dubs for G.
And I got the goal.
I can't wait to. We might get a place on the water. That's so nice, guys.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sick.
Hey, bud?
Yeah. And I'm on like no sleep, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just no sleep at all, bro.
I can't believe. Not,
Like I slept like hour, like
not
at
one
most.
Linda. How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
Hello.
How are you, honey?
Hey,
Right.
That's my nephew, Linda.
Yeah, I know.
How are you?
Oh, good.
Get off work here?
Oh no, I got off work. How are you?
nice to meet you.
I'm on live or what?
Yeah.
You got off work?
I got
It's
off
not
work.
live?
I walked to Marlena's house to
Water?
her.
Plants? Yeah. So,
Okay, I'm all wet.
it's okay, so are we.
Yes, you are now.
Muskima.
What? Now I'm live.
I'm all wet.
It's okay, sit.
And I was gonna walk home now. Pero papatusa, sweet pero.
Yeah, I'm okay, honey.
I heard what happened. You lost it.
Yeah.
You lost the airplane.
Yeah. We didn't lose it. We didn't lose it.
Wait,
What?
Oh, sorry.
What? It's not his on.
You're live.
Okay, sorry, Linda. No,
We were already we were already talking about it. We were already talking.
She comes in now and doesn't know,
now
right?
Bill
And
doesn't
she doesn't know you're
Bill
on
doesn't-
live.
it's done.
So Bill don't want it on live. So we finito. Look, and she's like, oh, sorry.
Can I get my bar? Kita,
So Linda, you done now
hot, yeah.
for the day?
for the day.
Figs. Oh, Linda.
Are
Oh,
figs good?
nice. You're my favorite. Can I have these?
Yeah.
Oh, you're the best.
We only
I
had
want to
two.
try.
I don't care. That's nice. You want one, bud? I'll peel you one. You'll never have figs like here, buddy. Look at this. Just, I'll peel it. You eat it. So good, honey.
I like it. I don't know who's like the people.
Is that Regardi's mom?
Yeah?
Is that Regardi's mom?
No, that's Marlena Bianca's mom.
Oh,
That's-
nice.
Yeah.
Really? That's
Yeah.
sick.
Kita allí, una bacon, lo que ven, take out.
This looks
You
good.
did.
Yeah.
You don't took
There.
it.
Eat it. Just eat it like
Trying
that.
to fig.
Oh, eat it.
It's so good, buddy.
The skin too?
Yeah.
There's no skin, is
I
there?
took the skin off for you because I knew you wouldn't eat it.
Mm.
You can still eat the skin though. I just knew you wouldn't.
Nice, eh? These fries go down.
What's the bigger after on the pod? Te voy a Yo digo viva Mercedes, viva Profes.
So good. Us? We've been in Greece for probably 3 hours now. Yeah. They picked us up, drove around, stopped, made 2 stops in here, went to buy cigarettes, and we've just been hanging here. Yeah. Yep.
It was crazy. Like we were yelling in the airport. Like it took us forever to get here.
Oh,
It was bad. We fucked
it's
up.
okay though.
We were drunk though. Super
the
drunk.
First night. Linda's like, hanging right.
Right?
I love you, Linda. Yeah.
It's the only way to
It's
go.
the only way, right?
Yeah, yeah.
At the airport, yeah. Eh?
Cheers to that.
Look at it.
I can see it.
Yeah. You see? Yeah.
Social media creator.
Linda, what do you smoke? What are those?
They smell.
Oh, they're bad?
They smell.
I don't
No.
know. These are fucking like.
Because she hates hers, eh? It's like
No, because
air.
I smoked these with the menthol. And they didn't have the menthol. So I said, okay, just give me the red. The red is like,
I know, right?
oh, these are my favorite. Omni. Yeah,
We found you the Mentos.
I know. Just another store. She had all of these, but just not menthol.
Super. Stevenson, you want one of these?
No, I'm okay, sweetie. Now, do you have to go back tonight? No.
Work. No.
No.
Tomorrow I'm 5 o'clock.
Oh, okay.
5
are you?
o'clock in the afternoon.
So-
1 at night.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay. That's nice.
Have a drink.
We will.
Να συμπληρώσουμε.
Θα πάρεις τα παπαπέτα.
Here.
Ναι. Μας φέρεις και ένα πακέτο να βάλουμε αυτά.
Yeah.
You want to take the salad? Take it home?
So
Yeah,
fucking
take these.
cute. I want to take her home. But Luna and Stella won't like
Your
that.
sister?
No.
They're gonna like,
At
bitch,
all.
you went away on holidays and you come back with another one, yeah?
And they're by themselves.
No, she
Yeah.
The cat.
Well, no, my son and his
clean them.
fiancés are there.
Oh, you're
Mortgage broker.
Bianca. You know
So
No, I did ignore
he's
it.
coming next year 100%. 100%. I told him, I said, I'm tired of this. Like, okay, last year I understood because they took a holiday together. They didn't have the money when we decided. So that made sense. Okay, this year it made sense because we had school. But I said, Adam, I don't get fucked. When we come next
Is this
year,
for,
you're
chicken
coming. He's like,
breast?
Mom, I want to
Yeah.
come. He wanted to come this year. He was so bummed out. He told him. He goes, I'm so bothered I'm not coming. I felt so fucking bad for him.
Τίποτα αυτό.
And all him and I did at the airport was feel bad for Adam. It's okay, don't worry, he's coming.
I know if Adam is.
William's gonna make sure. Linda even said, like, fuck, where's
Does Linda
Adam?
know Adam?
Yeah,
Lift that.
and he should be here. Yeah, honey, I know. Trust me, Linda. Hey, Will, was I not been stressed out about this lately?
Yeah.
Yeah.
9 η ώρα.
Right.
About him not coming.
Την ώρα, άμα είναι...
This is what I see.
Έλα.
First time I ever see clouds in Greece.
Yeah?
today.
When I come last year, didn't matter Athens, man, Greece. I told Bill, every day blue skies and sun, no cloud, not one cloud I saw. This is the first time I see clouds.
Today, tomorrow, and
Cloudy?
yeah, it's gonna be. It might even rain.
I never even saw rain.
Me.
Wow. So tomorrow not tanning weather.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can go to the beach. Yeah. Fuck. Okay.
Well, where I work,
Yeah.
it's right.
No, I know you're on the beach. We were there last year 2 times. We didn't know until after Marlena the first time we went to that beach. The next day we went back to that beach, and when she picked us up, she
How do I put
drove
the
us and
salad?
goes, "Ma, works right there."
Gina,
Can you put the salad?
Yeah.
salad.
No, I know. It's about attempting to do it without making a mess.
Gina, can you get in the kitchen, please?
Yeah. Okay. How about everyone go hang themselves?
I said, Gina, can you get in
Yeah.
the kitchen, please?
Yeah. Like I'm on holidays. This reminds me of being at work right now.
Can you handle it?
I don't know. Do you want to try and attempt yourself and
No,
tell
it
me
is
if you can
hard.
handle it? How's that?
Yeah, give me the phone. Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon.
There you go. Let me know. Yeah.
Give me the spoon.
Here you go. There you go.
Yeah, just talk to talk.
Can you handle it?
Everyone's laughing at that Gina.
Can you talk?
This made my day, Will. Thank you. No problem, Jules. Yeah, this is the start. This is only our first
Day.
day. Second, yeah. First
Day.
day.
First hour.
It's first
First hour.
hour, buddy. First day, honey.
We got a lot of content coming. A lot of good vibes. We're gonna throw Bill and the Sharks.
Yeah.
Get him eaten.
Yeah.
Finally, get rid of him.
Well, that's easy. Just say the word.
See how much better you do it than me?
Yeah. Look and learn.
No, you should have just did it from the beginning.
Just look and learn.
Like I said, I'm on holidays. No need to learn, honey. Just don't feel like doing.
He's like, ha ha ha.
Yeah. Yeah. Like when I say holiday, it's holiday. I do nothing.
When do you see the model agencies?
Oof.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow
One.
morning. At 1.
Tomorrow morning we're seeing one.
We're seeing 1 tomorrow morning.
Πάω, περιμένω για το λεωφορείο.
You heard that?
Παριμένο.
Εκεί πάλι δεν είναι.
Yeah.
Στα και 10 τίποτα. Στα και 20 τίποτα.
You send me like 10 messages.
Στα και 40 τίποτα.
No. Yeah?
Who? Who?
Look,
You send me
Dimitri's
10 messages.
he's excited.
Όχι.
Can't wait to see that.
It's because I messaged him on your account too, eh?
Eh?
I messaged him on your account.
Yeah. He was talking to people last night on your account. He posted a story on your
On your
account.
account.
You motherfucker.
And you replied
Yeah.
back.
Όχι, να κάνω ένα
I went on
σιγάρο,
your
να πιω
account,
καφέ μου.
on your phone,
Θα πω.
And he did
and I
it.
was like, fire picture, and he's like, thanks, and I took a
I
picture.
know, and I saw it, and I go, I didn't post that.
He did it.
Motherfucker.
Yeah.
Ήταν το Βαγγέλης εκεί.
There's a will, there's a way.
There's a will.
You figure you can put it in the bag?
I can.
Yeah, see that?
Αυτά.
Will understands.
Do I?
Watch, don't fall back.
Do I understand?
Yeah,
Νομίζεις να τον αφήσω έτσι.
Bill doesn't.
you always do, buddy.
Bill's slow.
That's okay.
Πήρε καινούριο αμάξι.
That comes with age. You're young and vibrant, so
Like Bill
you
has
get
like
it.
Bill has like something like wrong, right?
Αυτή πάει
Obviously.
25
Why?
διακοπές.
Dude, we're gonna rip on him all trip.
Σεπτέμβριο, 2, 3, 4.
He's gonna leave us.
He's gonna leave us.
5.
The only problem is when I leave you,
Yeah.
you'll never find me.
Oh, that's okay. We'll find ourselves.
Perfect.
We'll figure it out.
We'll hang out with Linda,
Yeah. There's a will, there's a way. Auntie already has connects here.
right?
We're good.
Να μάθω.
27.
That bike
Next,
said.
you'll go next at 0.
No,
Yeah,
I got 5.
you got 0.
That's what you think.
Loving those.
Linda, how's your mom doing, honey?
Oh, she's all right.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's
Good.
okay.
Good.
Her cancer came back after 2 years.
I know it was in remission.
Oh, she had an operation.
Last
Took
year
it
you
out.
told me. Remember last year you
Okay,
told
I
me?
told you,
Yeah.
It came back. But it's in
Anytime you want to
the,
go, you let me know.
it's not very active.
Okay. It's more
Growing-
asleep.
It's growing slowly. So
Okay.
one other is really,
I know.
she doesn't put herself down.
I know.
She's always up.
I know. I
I wish I
know.
was like,
Just like my mom.
oh my God.
And I wish I always I
Do you
wish I
live
was like
alone?
my mom.
Yeah,
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Good for you.
Yeah.
She's
I
like,
live in a studio.
Yeah.
she reminds me of my like Jan, my grandma.
Yeah. Yeah, his
Like the
grandmother's
same eyes,
strong.
same strong mentality.
Strong woman. Yeah.
Same attitude too.
Yeah. Jan's awesome.
And the
We
way
love Jan.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, you
wanna go?
Let's go.
Did we just go? Yeah. We paid?
Yeah, we paid.
We'll come back here again.
Yeah, another day. There's other places, buddy. We just stopped here to use washroom and have a bite.
Με πήραν τηλέφωνο από το σπίτι εδώ.
Όχι ρε. Για να μπεις.
Για να μπω, για να
Good idea.
τέτοιο. Με πήρε ένας, μου λέγε, ξέρω εγώ, πρέπει να έρθει στο Πεντάγωνο
Holy fuck.
να με γυρίσουμε. Του λέω, φίλε μου, του λέω, δεν μπορώ. Του λέω, από 10 Σεπτέμβρη.
Okay, let's go.
Πάμε.
I will be going live on TikTok as well. I'll end it now. Give us a little break and I'll be back. Maybe on Instagram for now, but I'll be back. My phone's charging.